A quick and easy microwave breakfast. I start with a bowl that can be microwaved, like this Corral bowl. And I use a buttery coating on it, or oil, or whatever you got. I use half the dumplings from this kit and put the 3 dumplings in this bowl. I use half the sauce and drizzle it on top of the dumplings. Next, I'm going to look for a piece of cheese to put in the middle of the dumplings to spread them out a little bit. So now I've generously spiced the 3 dumplings and put some cheese in the middle, in between them. And now I've cracked an egg over it. I could have done that in a separate bowl and mixed it up just a little bit. I like to mix it up too much, just enough. But I'll just break it up in the bowl this time. And I'll spread the yolk and egg on top of the dumplings. And I'll do a little better job than that one off camera. I'll probably give it like 80% power for 2 minutes. And then I'll go in and I'll check it. It'll probably have some loose stuff in the middle still. I'll tilt the bowl to kind of drizzle that stuff to the sides. Spread it around the sides and give it another minute. So after the first round of heating, I kind of go to the center and push it out a little bit. Kind of like mostly cooked. It would probably be a little runnier had I started out with frozen stuff. But I kind of got distracted in the middle of this and let it sit out for about an hour before I zapped it. So yours probably wouldn't be this far along. But I am going to give it another 30 seconds. And that's about it. And there we have another entry from the Crack an Egg Over It series. I'm getting hungry looking at it. Now the thing I could have added was some like green pepper or whatever you want. I have some green pepper in the fridge. Now I'm thinking and regret I should have chopped up and put in that egg before I zapped it. But whatever. Quick and easy.